Hello everyone, welcome to Care Nest, a space where we share awareness and practical tips for children with autism and speech delay. Today, we'll talk about oral massage, a simple yet powerful technique that helps in speech development. Why oral massage is important? Speech is not only about the tongue, it involves the lips, tongue, cheeks, and jaw muscles working together. When these muscles are weak or tight, the child may struggle to produce clear sounds. Oral massage helps by relaxing and strengthening the oral muscles, improving saliva control, enhancing tongue movement, and gradually improving speech clarity. Remember, every child is unique, so the goal is to go slow, gentle, and consistent. Step-by-step oral massage guide. Step 1. Warm up. Start by washing your hands. Take a warm towel and gently place it on the child's lips and cheeks for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps relax the muscles. Step 2. Cheek massage. Using your fingers, apply gentle circular motions on both cheeks. Move from one side to the other, repeating 5 to 6 times. This step helps loosen and activate facial muscles. Step 3. Lip massage. Use your index finger to gently massage the upper and lower lips in small circles. If the child is comfortable, gently massage the inside of the lips as well. This helps with lip closure and sounds like M, P, and B. Step 4. Chin and jaw movement. Support the chin gently with your thumb and fingers. Move the jaw slightly up and down in a slow, rhythmic motion for about 5 to 10 seconds. Do not use force, just gentle movement. Step 5. Tongue stimulation. If the child allows, use a clean cotton swab or your finger to gently stroke the tongue, from the middle toward the tip. This helps improve tongue control and movement, which are essential for speech. Duration and frequency. You can do this massage for about 5 to 10 minutes daily. The best time is before speech therapy or any speech practice session, so the muscles are warmed up. Always watch your child's comfort level. If your child resists or feels uncomfortable, pause and try again later, never force it. Final tips. Every child progresses differently, so be patient. Combine oral massage with regular speech therapy for the best results. If possible, consult a certified speech therapist for personalized guidance. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Care Nest. Together, we can help every child find their voice. Remember, every small progress is a big step forward. Care Nest, nurturing hope, one step at a time.